A look at the PBA's future in one very fast and pulsating game. Iko Halili with the good doctor, Dr. J. Andy Howe, all the way from Puerto Princesa.
Well, this is a very nice province and, of course, a very nice city. And it's great that these people have invited the PBA to commemorate its All-Star here. Well, it will culminate on Sunday with the All-Star game. But right now, I'm sure you've already seen a lot of exciting developments in the earlier part of our show, including a great slam-off between Kelly Williams and Nino Cañaleta, plus of course Mark Macapagal winning the three-point shootout. You know, so it's been a great evening so far, and we'd like to invite all Metro Manila residents or families to join with us here in Puerto Princesa.
Now, what's so special about this Blitz game that we are about to bring you all the way from Puerto Princesa? Iba kasi yung ating mga patakaran dito, all designed to make the game doubly exciting for all of you.
Exciting and quicker. Look at this, 3 points for a dunk. So that should give an extra, incentive for people that can get up there. You have 6 seconds to bring the ball from the front court from the back court to the front court. So after 6 seconds, violation, turnover yan. You only have an 18-second shot clock, not the usual 24-second shot clock. We'll have 4 10-minute quarters, making it like 2 20-minute halves. No fouling out, but for every foul over 6, 2 points for a not of the act of shooting violation. In other words, a loose ball. 3 points for a missed shot from 2-point area, and 4 points, 4 free throws, I'm sorry, not 4 points, 4 free throws for missed shots from 3-point area.
In other words, the object of the game is to score as many points in as little time possible.
That's right. And obviously, this is a nice game because rookies and sophomores, alam naman natin, halos karamihan niya, bata pa. So obviously, the game will be sped up a little bit. Saka talagang mabilis ang laro na yan.
Mga kaedad ko karamihan sa
That's right.
Hindi totoo yun. Okay, nagbibiro lang. Alright, let's look at the Rookie All-Stars lineup for tonight's Blitz game. The Elite 8 of the rookies, led by Marcy Arellano of Rain or Shine, Mark Burscher of Alaska, Jervy Cruz of Rain or Shine, Ronnie Matias of Air 21, Oji Menor of Barako Energy Coffee, Chris Ross of the Coca-Cola Tigers, Chris Timberlake of BMX Derby Ace, and Josh Urbistondo of Santa Lucia.
And if you go to the this Ogi Menor right now there on the screens, leading scorer among the rookies in the previous conference, you naman si Chris Ross earlier with his back turn. We will also have, of course, the lineup for the sophomore All-Stars. And I think the advantage should go to their team a little bit because of the experience and the fact that a lot of these guys have played crucial roles for the teams that they have played with and are playing with. Right now, later on, we'll put in the lineups for the sophomore All-Stars.
And here are the sophomore All-Stars. Their lineup for the Blitz game: Bo Belga of Air 21, Mark Borborano of Alaska, Kelvin Gregorio of the Realtors, Jeff Chan of the Alaska Painters, Rob Reyes of Barako Energy Coffee, Jared Dillinger of Talk and Text, and Larry Rodriguez of Coca-Cola, and Marky also of Talk and Text.
Well, except for Kelvin Gregorio, nakikita nyo yung lineup na yun, karamihan yun talaga nagkakaroon ng playing time even when they were rookies, and especially their sophomores. If you look at this matchup also, there are 3 UE Warriors here, right? Marcy Arellano, si Mark Borboran, at si Kelvin Gregorio. So they have made their contribution to the PBA.
Coaching both teams para sa rookies, that's George Gallant, assistant coach for the BMX Derby Ace Llamados, and for the sophomores, they'll be coached by a familiar face, Luigi Trillo of the Alaska Aces.
Well, George, of course, he came from the amateur ranks where he made a real good name for himself in coaching. So karamihan nito medyo kilala na niya, Nico, no? Yung mga nakakasama na niya, either with or against. Tapos, magandang matchup yan between George and Luigi. Of course, George Gallant has been the more successful coach during his time.
There's Luigi Trillo.
Nice yellow shirt.
Siyempre. A member of the, first, the Trillo basketball clan.
Yes, si Waki, si Paulo.
Yep. Si Waki ang bunso, no? Sa pamilya.
Kasama ko pa naman sa plane tapon. My good friend, Waki Trillo.
Good view of the Puerto Princesa Coliseum. our official venue for PBA All-Star Week. It's been a fun, thrilling day so far.
This is the PBA All-Star Rookie Sophomores Blitz Game. And now let's call in the starters from the Rookies team. Starting out at guard, number 31, Chris Timberlake. Also at guard, number 1, Chris Ross. Playing center, number 20, Jeremy Cruz. At forward, number 15, Ogie Manol. And also at forward, number 22, Ronnie Magas. And now let's call in the sophomores. At guard, number 20, Jared Dillinger. Also at guard, number 9, Jeff Chan. Playing center, number 30, Mo Belga. At forward, number 22, Rob Reyes. And also at forward, number 10, Mark Oakland.
Ayan, nakilala na natin ang primary protagonists for this Blitz game. Yan ang coaching staff. George Gallant. Ang lakas ng moral support mula sa kanyang mga players. Llamados. And there's Luigi Trillo, resplendent in his yellow shirt. Ayun, kasama si Gus Vargas, the longtime trainer of the Alaska Aces.
We have Mrs. Hagedorn, the beloved wife of the mayor, Hagedorn, doing the honors for the ceremonial toast together with Commissioner Sunny Barrios, si Elena Hagedorn. Nakita mo ang laki ng lineup dito ng sophomores. No? They don't even have a natural point guard. Dillinger will have to be the one pushing up the ball. Pero since it's only an 18-second shot clock, parang wala na tayong seta ng half court as much as possible.
And the Blitz game is underway. And here's Matias. Nice bump coming from Rob Reyes. Jared Dillinger was an all-star last year. Now he'll try and help the sophomores win this game. Dillinger with a drive. Here's Borboran. Rebound for Jervy Cruz.
I think Jervy will be in his elements here, no? Because mga kapeso niya ito. At the same time, sanay siya lumaban ng as a big player, no? Despite the fact that he's only 6'3".
So Dillinger acting as the court general for the dark shirts. Sophomores in their dark uniforms. Ang rookies naman, naka-immaculate white. Here's Ross. Bounce pass inside. Nice pass for Matias. Nakakilala itong dalawa na ito because they were teammates back in the PBL.
At alam naman natin si Ronnie Matias right now is, I think, the leading scorer among the rookies in our present Fiesta Conference.
Shot clock winding down.
I don't think he knows it.
I think it's one big adjustment that all these players will have to make.
18 seconds imbis na 24. That's 6-second differential. Mabigat yun. Talagang kailangan push and push.
Because kahit pa paano may mga basketball body clock na tong mga to.
So, right now, he's gonna be caught with the 6 seconds. If he doesn't cross soon, he realizes it. Your favorite player?
A proud member of Extra Rice Incorporated, Big Bo Belga, and Timberlake gets the rebound. Here's Jervy Cruz, blocked by Jeff Chan. Menor no go, and a lot of contact here. And action continues. Here's Jared Dillinger. Rob Reyes goes up and a whistle is blown.
Or you were mentioning Jared Dillinger last year in no, not last year, there was no All-Star, but as far as I think they mentioned that he was like a most valuable player.
Actually,
once.
in the All-Star, in one of the All-Star games.
Yes.
Kasi diba meron tayong tatlong leg last year. Right now, Dillinger hoping to make a fruitful performance here.
Rob Reyes has been very aggressive at the ceiling inside the 3-second area. Split